In this video, we're going to show you how to monitor your Claude token usage in real time. When working with Claude Code or any API-based workflow, every prompt and response consumes tokens. Tokens are the basic units of text processing, and both your input and Claude's output contribute to your overall usage. If you're running long coding sessions, automation scripts, or repeated prompts, token usage can increase quickly without you noticing. This can lead to unexpected limits, performance slowdowns, or higher than expected costs in API-based workflows. That's why monitoring token usage in real time is important. It helps you understand how much context you're consuming and allows you to optimize your prompts while you work. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to track token usage effectively and adjust your workflow to stay efficient. So let's get started. The first method is to use built-in usage indicators in Claude Code or your interface. Depending on your environment, Claude Code may display real-time or session-based token usage information while you are working. This typically includes how much context is currently being used and how close you are to the maximum limit. Keep an eye on this indicator during long sessions, especially when working with large code bases or multi-step prompts. If you notice usage increasing rapidly, it's a sign that your conversation is becoming too large or too detailed. At that point, consider summarizing your progress or starting a new session to reset the context window. Another effective method is to periodically check usage using available commands such as /context or /cost if your setup supports them. Running these commands during your workflow gives you a snapshot of how much context or cost has been consumed so far. This helps you understand whether your current session is efficient or needs optimization. In more advanced setups, especially API-based workflows, you can also track token usage directly through your developer dashboard. These dashboards typically show input tokens, output tokens, and total usage per request or session. This is especially useful for developers who are integrating Claude into applications or automated systems. In most situations, combining in-session monitoring with periodic checks is enough to maintain good control over token usage. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, watch built-in context or usage indicators during your Claude Code sessions. Second, use commands like /context or /cost when available to check your current usage. And third, for API users, monitor token consumption through your developer dashboard. Remember that real-time token monitoring is not just about tracking limits, it's about improving efficiency. By understanding how your prompts affect token usage, you can write more focused requests and reduce unnecessary context. This leads to faster responses, lower costs, and more stable long-running sessions. It's also a good habit to regularly reset or compact your context when working on large projects. A few simple monitoring practices can significantly improve your overall workflow with Claude, and that's how to monitor your Claude token usage in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.